everyone, this is Julie with Beadaholique, and in this video I want to talk to you about summer trend jewelry. So summer is a really fun time to design jewelry for. You have a lot of flexibility in what you can do. You can have bright, bold colors like neons, you can incorporate leather and wood beads, pearls, flower beads, lucite, a lot of things you can do. You could go larger in scale too. You could do really fun like boho designs with tassels. And over at Beadaholique.com, we have a ton of different supplies for you for that. So I wanted to also show you a really great way to pick out your color palette, because we often get questions about how do we choose our color scheme. Well, when it comes to summertime, you can do really bright colors, which is fun. You can also do pastels, and you can do pinks and purples and all those really happy colors. And if you're stuck on where to start, I would suggest picking out one of your favorite summer outfits and designing to it. So right here, I have a dress of mine. This is a summer dress, and floral summer dresses are huge this season. And so what's nice about it is it has so many colors in it that look really great together. So you see we've got turquoise, green, coral, yellow, even navy blue. And navy blue is interesting because I would not have normally thought to put navy blue with this, but it looks really good. So this is a ready-made color palette for you. So then all you have to do is match the beads to it. So I've got some gemstone beads over here. I've got seed beads. I've got little check glass beads as well. And they're just basically looking at the colors of the dress and saying, okay, well, I need that, about that shade of yellow and about that shade of green. And then they're all gonna look great together. And what you can do is you can take an earring like this that I made that just picks out one color. This is a nun design hoop. And then I just use these pretty little beads to do a little bit of stitch work on it. And that's just one color. Here's another example of a design I made to match this dress. And it just is using that green and pairing it with gold. So there's a little bit of circular brick stitch, actually, just not all the way around. Here is more circular brick stitch, and we have tutorials on Beadaholique.com showing you how to do this. And I picked out the turquoise, the green, and the yellow for this instance. And then I want to show you what we could do with seed beads, where it's just a seed bead design and no base foundation like the hoop or the ring. And so here I have done a little daisy chain, and this is going to be another video on Beadaholique.com showing you how to do these. This is going to be a daisy chain earring, which is a little different. But I just used the 3 colors of seed beads from the dress pattern, which is the white. So we actually have it over here. I move my tray up a little bit. We have the turquoise, we have the white, and we have the green. And then for the centers, I did the yellow with a check glass bead. So this was really simple. And again, it's incorporating a couple different themes of summer. We've got flowers, so flowers are a huge summer theme, and seed beads. So seed beads and flowers combined here, and then we're gonna make this into a nice dangling long earring. So those are just a few ideas for your summer jewelry. Remember, colorful is great, flowers. If you have a design that you really like but is not looking too summery, you can add a charm. You can add a little nautical charm or a starfish. Lots of great options that will easily dress up a pattern and a design and make it summery. And then you can just be playful, have fun. Summer is a great time to experiment with your designs. And remember, if you're stuck on deciding on that color palette, pick out your favorite outfit and just take the colors off of that. That's a really great way of having an instant color palette that you know works, and then you just match your beads to it. So I hope you enjoyed a couple of these quick little tips, and then keep an eye out for this video here where I'll show you how to turn this little daisy chain into an earring, and I'll show you actually how to stitch this daisy chain as well. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.